Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can justify a text in your designs in Affinity Designer. So let us get started. So head over to your canvas or design with the text or text box and then double click into the text to highlight it. And then guys, what you want to do is you either select this tool here at the top, click into the drop down menu and choose justify left, center, right or all. So that's a little bit short of a text, so let me just expand it by entering, I don't know, more text to it. And as you can see, if your text box contains more text like this, you may choose or see the effect of the justify effect, right? So if you choose align to the right, it would look like this. Justify in the center, it would look like that, and so on and so forth. The other option would be to click into text here at the top and then navigate to alignment. And you will see the same option here, right? So you can go with one of these. Justify all, it would look like that with the text line stretched to the very left border and the right border as well. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.